everyone. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial for Scratch beginners. In this tutorial you're going to learn how to code Scratch, how to change the background and how to change the sprite. First of all, let's code it. We have here a bunch of coding supplies. Just drag them to the coding base. Now you have to press Ctrl and click drag when clicked. So if you click this green thing, which is a flag, the coding will come into action. Let's move on to the second tutorial, how to change the background. To change the background, you have to click on Stage and then on Backgrounds, click on Input. You can choose any of these. I'm taking Nature. You can click any of these, like you have here many options. I'm taking the Desert. Now the action is taking place in the desert. Next, let's move on to the third tutorial, how to change the sprite. Click on Input, which is change new sprite. Now you have here a bunch of options. You can choose fantasy, animals, letters, people, things and transportation. Let's choose transportation. Now we have here aeroplane, plane, a bicycle. Let's take a car. Now the car is in the desert. What about the Scratch? You can code any of these by clicking on this. Now you can code Scratch. If you click on the car, you can code the car. Let's make a movie in which the car will move. Now let's click on this flag. The car went away. Thank you for watching my tutorial.